Hello again. Little update on my Adventurer 3 Pro. I've been printing like crazy in carbon fiber nylon. As you can see, got a bunch of random bits over here, and I've got a whole stack of parts over here. These are all, this one I forgot to put supports when I sliced it. That was my fault, but the rest of them have turned out really good. Really happy with the quality that's coming out of there. I did have to use some glue, just some glue stick to get the nylon parts to stick, but they do come right off with no major issues, so that's good. I've had no success printing PETG, so I just stuck with the carbon fiber nylon, which is the purpose that I bought the machine for. I wasn't happy with their little camera, so I put a Wise brand camera in there that I can remotely monitor anywhere from my phone, and I put a little temperature and humidity meter at the back there. Don't remember if I showed that or not the last time. So I did, a couple of benchies and then busted them apart just to see kind of how strong the bond was, if there's any kind of issue with layer adhesion, maybe moving too fast or going too slow or whatever. Anyway, tore those guys all to bits and pieces. Made a bunch of these brackets here, and then tested the strength by snapping this one in half. It took quite a bit of force. I actually had to put that in the vise and then grab it with a pair of pliers to break it, so I'm pretty happy with that. And a bunch of other random faily bits that I stopped early for various reasons. What I can tell you is that the machine has been working fine. It makes a lot of noise. All the little bits inside, like these little plastic grommets right here on both sides, they rattle in the chassis. This housing, either the fan motor or something in there, is rattling like crazy. All these little end pieces, they make a little bit of noise as the vibration ramps up. So it's definitely not anywhere near as quiet as my artillery, but it works well. Also, I contacted Flashforge after the last video with the issues with the firmware and a couple other questions, and I have not heard back from them at all. I don't know if they didn't get my email or they're just not interested in the feedback, but I don't know. They haven't reached out to me, so I'm still struggling with that glitch of heating the nozzle when doing filament change. So I'm not really sure what to do about that. But that's a little update on this guy. Like I said, working okay. You can't adjust much. It's a very simple machine, but it seems to reliably do the job, at least for this carbon fiber nylon that I've been printing. Good surface finish, so pretty happy with that so far. I'll have another video coming soon of my other printers. I just wanted to do a quick update on that one.